Welcome to my channel Medical Biology. Today I am going to discuss about 3D printed vaccine patch. The ease of using vaccine patch may lead to higher vaccination rates, and the most important thing to note regarding this vaccine patch is that it is painless, less invasive than a shot with a needle and can be self-administered. The 3D printed vaccine patch provides greater protection than a typical immunization shot. Also, it's very interesting to note that the immune response from the patch was 10 times greater than vaccine delivered into an arm muscle with a needle jab. Such an innovation will be great help for painless and anxiety-free vaccination. The interesting fact is that it can be customized to develop various vaccine patches for flu, measles, hepatitis, and the vaccine patch will overcome issues like cold storage, needing trained professionals who can give the shots, which will lead to higher vaccination rates. Thank you so much.